So my little girl's about to start walking, and I had to get some child safety locks. So I want to do a review of these, the Eco Baby child safety locks. It's a magnetic lock. Looks like easy installation. You just use adhesive that's on there, and it sticks to your cabinet door or drawer. It comes with 12 of these locks for close to $24. And get it on Amazon. It's free shipping. I'll put a link in the description if you want to check it out. Gives you all the directions on the back, how to install it. It looks pretty quick. So it comes with 12 of these locks. Here's the lock and unlock feature. Just peel the backing off and stick this on the inside of your cabinet. You can use this lever on the bottom to lock it or unlock it to leave it unlocked if you want. And then this is the magnet that it comes with to pull the lock open, and it has a keeper for the magnet, so you can stick this to wherever you want to keep it at and put the magnet on it. So here's your lock position. The magnet closes the lock. It's pretty strong magnet. Looks pretty good. And this is the piece that goes on the inside of the cabinet, and you put this underneath for this to latch to. See, how's that go? Like this. So this closes and latches just like that. But we'll install these and see how it works. Okay, so I learned this the hard way. I didn't realize this. Since I live in a mobile home, my cabinets, as you can see, it doesn't have a flat top. It's just there's a board here, so there's nothing to stick the hook to. But this latch is deep enough that it will latch behind the board. Just like so. And it comes with these stickers too, so you can put a sticker behind the latch so you know exactly where it is. Latches pretty easy. That's your lock feature, so you can leave it unlocked if you choose to do so. I just put them on there. You're supposed to wait 24 hours before you pull on it to test it. To test the adhesive, I guess, to make sure it's stuck good. But they already stick on there really well. It's I tried to pull one off earlier, and it was pretty difficult to pull off. But anyway, that's my review. If you do purchase them, please use my link, and that will help me out. Thanks for watching.